Welcome back to the channel. I'm DJ and you're watching Black Magic Adventures. Today we're going to break down the Universal Horror Unleashed announcement. So let's go. So here we are just taking a drive around the exterior of the building, seeing what we can see from ground level. In a second, I'll throw up the drone and we can see it from the aerial view. But yeah, you can see since my last construction update, they are mainly focusing on the inside since the building is done, and then they're doing a lot of the exterior things because there'll be other things on the plot of land besides the Universal attraction. So that'd be cool. Alright, so now we're gonna throw up the drone and get a better aerial view. So let's check that out. But like as you can see, a lot of the work is inside. They're doing a lot of work inside of the building. But here as I pan, you can see over to the left. I'm not sure what that is, but they're doing a lot of work there. Because I live pretty close by, so periodically I come by and check out what's going on. I'm still not sure what those are. I'm not sure if that's more area of the Universal or the other attractions that are going, or more theme. I think I'll zoom in a little bit. This is to the right. They're doing more exterior. Look like they're building another building right there, or the start of building another building there. Like I said before, there are going to be other attractions on this plot of land. I'm definitely excited to be able to just essentially I could walk here and enjoy this attraction year round. So that's a cool aspect of it being close to me and just being here in Vegas, especially being next to Area 15. So now we have a couple of artist conceptual drawings of what the inside and a couple of the areas will eventually look like. once it does open. And then up next, we have a couple of the houses that are announced. We got Universal Monsters, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And then I think next we have Scarecrow the Reaping. And then we have The Exorcist Believer. And then also, they are hiring. So here's a couple of the things that they have posted for the couple of jobs that they have available so far. That's going to do it. Be sure to like and follow.